Okay, all of you, welcome back to social science class. This class is basically lesson for geography. Okay, so as we know, we started our revisions. Okay, and the geography revision we are starting today. Like already we started, and the geography revision we are starting today. Okay, clear or not? So there's a revision plan for us, and this week the revision plan is simply, the first chapter. Okay, what is that? Resources and development. Resources and development. Okay, so write down resources and development. This week we are going to discuss about the classification of resources. Classification of resources. Classification of resources and types of resources. Write down classification of resources and types of resources. Classification of resources and types of resources are the two topics. Only we have 2 periods in this week, right? So we will discuss that portion in this class. Okay. So please write down. Okay. Classification of resources and the types of resources. Classification of resources and the types of resources. Classification of resources and the types of resources.
Types of resources.
Okay, types of resources. Fine. Okay, so here, write down everything available in our environment. Write down, all of you. Don't sit simply there. Please write all these things there and keep a special folder for this. Okay, revision notes. Okay, everything available in our environment. Everything available in our environment. Everything available in our environment, which is technologically accessible. Technologically, okay. TECHNOLOGICALLY. Technologically accessible. ACCESSIBLE. Accessible, comma. Economically feasible. Economically feasible. Economically feasible. Right?
Not clear, not clear.
Economically feasible.
Accessible is
Fizan.
answer.
What is the problem with you, man?
Sir,
What is the problem?
accessibly.
Accessible. 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 Okay. Comma. Economically feasible.
Okay.
Economically feasible. ECONOMICALLY. Economically feasible. Feasible spelling FEASIBLE. Feasible. And culturally acceptable. Culturally acceptable. CULTURALLY. Culturally acceptable. 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 And can satisfy our needs. And can satisfy our needs. And can satisfy our needs. Is known as resources. Is known as resources. Right? Okay. So I will repeat that particular sentence one more time for you people. Everything available in our environment, which is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Okay. And can satisfy our needs is known as resource. Full stop. Example: human beings, human beings, human beings, human beings, plants, plants, animals. Okay, all are example for. Okay, just write down. Okay, human beings, plants, and animals. Okay, these are example for resources. Okay, so what is the sentence here? Technologically accessible. The present technology what we have, we can use to get that particular resources and use that particular resources. And economically feasible. Okay, that's not creating any problem for us. Okay, so the money that what we are spending for using a resource, okay, definitely that will give us more benefits. Okay, so that's going to be economically feasible. Okay, example, 2 rupees we send for get that resource, and the resource give us the value for 4 rupees or 10 rupees. Okay, that's going to be economically feasible. Clear? Understand? Next one, culturally acceptable. Some things are there. Okay, basically one group of people will use that, maybe other group may not use it. Okay, other group of people. Okay, so culturally acceptable goods. Okay, such things are basically termed as resources. Repeating that one more time, everything available in our environment, which is technologically accessible, economically feasible, culturally acceptable, and can satisfy our needs. One more thing, the resource should satisfy our needs also. Clear or not? Example, a pen is a resource. Okay, it is able to satisfy our need. What is that need here? Writing. Okay, for example, I told. Okay, so almost all the different resources is able to satisfy our needs there. Okay, example, human beings, plants, and what is that? Animals. Next one, the process of transforming the process, PRO, CESS, the process of transformation, TRANSFORMATION, the process of transformation of things, transformation of things transformation of things in the environment, available in the environment, involves INVOLVES, involves an interactive relationship between nature, 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 comma, technology, relationship between nature, comma, technology and institution, Okay, clear? Okay, Shani, I will do that. Okay, so 1 minute. Last, I'm repeating this point one more time for you people. Please observe it. The process of transformation of things available in the environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. Okay, so the resources that are available in the nature, we have to convert that for our uses. Clear or not? Example, wood, we have to convert that into furniture, then only we can use it. So we want technology, right or not? We want the technology. So the natural self is necessary. We want technology and institutions, the government support. Okay, clear or not? So all these things are necessary to convert one particular resource into a good that what we can use. Okay, so repeating, the process of transformation of things available in the environment involves as an interactive relationship between the nature, technology, and institutions. Okay, so Shani asked, what do you mean with this economically feasible? Clear or not? I told you, example, gold is available in the nature, right? Yes or no? Clear or not? Example, for 1 gram gold, the price is nearly 5,000 rupees. Okay, imagine 5,000 rupees. So we are spending 1,000 rupees to get that 1 gram of gold. Is that economically feasible? Is that profitable? We used it. Sorry, listen carefully. We used only 1,000 rupees to get that 1 gram of gold worth rupees 5,000. Is that profitable or not?
Sir?
Yes, we spend 1,000 rupees to get or take 1 gram of gold worth rupees 5,000. Is that profitable or not?
Not profitable.
Not profitable. That?
Profitable.
Profitable or not? Okay, think and tell me. Okay, so 1,000 you spend
Profitable.
a good that worth rupees 5,000 means it is profitable. Instead of that, for getting or for utilizing that particular 1 gram of gold worth rupees 5,000, we are spending 10,000 rupees. Is that profitable? No. So no one will do that. So that's called to be what you can say, economically feasible. Okay, you want to create some profit for us. Okay, that's called to be economically feasible and culturally acceptable. Numerous resources are there. Okay, example in the case of food items. Okay, some group of people will use some food and the other groups may not use that. Clear or not? Understand? So for that particular example, vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. Okay, a group of people, they may not use vegetarian food. Okay, or they will use only non-vegetarian food, something like that. Clear or not? Okay, so vegetarian food is a culturally acceptable for the group of people, those who are eating vegetarian food. Okay, vice versa. Clear or not? It's called to be culturally acceptable. You should be there, right? Then only we will use a resource. Clear? Okay, let it be. Understand? A vegetarian person, okay, when one plate of good non-vegetarian food is available on the dining table, he may not use it. Clear or not? Because as per him, it is not a good that what he can use. Clear? Let it be. Okay, just understand that. Is that clear, Shania?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last point. Resources can be classified. Resources can be classified. Resources can be classified. It is not technologically acceptable, technologically accessible. Okay. So one more doubt in the first sentence. What is that? Technologically accessible. Technologically accessible. Okay. What do you mean by technologically accessible? The present technology what we have. Okay. Clear or not? That technology we can use to utilize that resource. That is going to be technologically accessible. Technologically accessible. Clear or not? Example, okay, today we don't know the technology to divide or segregate hydrogen and oxygen from water. We don't know that, clear or not? But in the future, might such kind of technology will develop, clear or not? Okay, understand? Hmm? So we can use oxygen and hydrogen, okay, from water, or we can create water by infusing all these two chemicals. I mean, minerals there, basically these gases, basically oxygen and hydrogen. Clear or not? Okay, so that's what technologically accessible. Last point: resources can be classified on the basis of origin. Resources can be classified on the basis of origin. Okay, very important one. Resources can be classified on the basis of origin. Exhaustability. Exhaustability. Write down. EXHAUSTIBILITY. Exhaustability, comma, ownership. 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 And the status of development. And the status of development. Okay. We will discuss this one by one. First of all, origin. Origin. Okay. Clear or not? Origin of the resources. Clear? How can we classify the resources on the basis of origin? Can anyone tell me the answer?
Biotic and abiotic.
Biotic and
Ah, very
Yeah,
good, very
biotic.
good. Okay, so biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic and abiotic. What are the biotic resources? The resources which have what? Life, right? Life. Very good. Okay. Abiotic,
non-living.
non-living one, inorganic materials. There. Okay. Clear or not? Okay. No, cannot say inorganic. Basically, non-living things. There. Clear? Non-living things. That's what biotic and abiotic resources. Okay. Next one, on the basis of exhaustibility. Okay. How can we divide?
Renewable and non-renewable.
Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Can you give an example for that?
Renewable means it can be renewed.
Definitely. Okay. And the non-renewable means
Not it,
there is no chance for
not the it will not be the if the
correct answer.
fossil fuels when the it will not be
Once we used it will exhaust. It will finish there. Right. Again, we are unable to reproduce that, recreate that. Okay. Or it will take much time for replenishing. Clear or not? Or reproduce that. Okay. That's called to be non-renewable resources. So renewable and non-renewable. Okay. So on the basis of origin, we know that it is biotic and abiotic, and on the basis of exhaustibility, we are able to divide that into two. What are they? Okay. What are they?
Non-renewable.
Okay. Okay. Renewable and non-renewable. Okay. Fine. Moving to the next one. Ownership. Ownership. How can we divide the resources on the basis of ownership?
Individual.
resources are
Yeah,
National.
individual resources, individual resources. Okay, then community resources, very good. National resources,
International.
international resources, international resources, very good. Okay, and status of development. How can we divide the resources on the basis of status of development?
Potential.
Potential.
Potential resources, actual
Developed.
resources, okay, developed resources, okay, like that we are able to divide the resources. Okay, so all these things are clear for you people, I think. Okay, so for the next class, okay, all these things, basically the classification of the resources and types of resources. Okay, this is important question for the examination. There are numerous questions are there from that section. Okay, what is that? Classification of resources and types of resources. Clear? So please read and learn that for the next class also. Clear or not? I want to complete this portion within these 2 classes. Okay, so can we go for some questions today? Some questions from this area?
MCQ.
Yeah, I'm thinking fine. Okay, good. So write on the first question. Okay.
Sir, in that sheet you can write now.
I will tell the questions now. Please write down. First question. Which one of the following is not? Which one of the following is not the basis of the classification of resources? Which one of the following is not the basis? Okay, point. Not the basis, not N-O-T, not the basis of a classification of resources. Okay, classification of resources. First option, repeating the question, which one of the following is not the basis of classification of resources? Remember, not the basis. Okay, clear? First option, origin, 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 origin. Second one, option B, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape.
Sir, basic of
Basis, B-A-S-I-S, basis of the classification of resources. Okay, basis of the classification of resources. Okay, first question, which one of the following is not the basis of the classification of resources? First option, origin. Option B, shape. Option C, ownership, O-W-N-E-R-S-H-I-P, ownership. Option D, exhaustability, exhaustability, exhaustability. Okay, tell me, Noble Anil, what is the answer here? Yeah, Melita, your answer is correct. Noble Anil, what is your answer? Noble?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
So one more time, question.
One more time, what I have to say?
Question.
Question. Okay. One more time, I want to say the question for Mr. Noble. Sainajini, what is the answer?
Option B, shape.
Pardon? Option B?
Shape.
Shape. Okay. Option B, shape. So I got number of answers here. Okay. So Shania, Raya. Okay. Then Atulya, Eva George, Lena, Shania Simon, Anjali Priya, right? Melita, she wrote 2 times the same answer. Okay, fine. So answer is shape. Answer is shape. So repeating the question one more time for you people. Okay, those who not wrote so now you can write it. The question is, which one of the following is not the basis of the classification of resources? Origin, shape, ownership, and exhaustability. So the answer is shape. Answer is shape. Clear or not? So shape is not a basis of classification. We will not classify the resources on the basis of shape. No chance for it. Clear or not? Okay. And the second question is, which of the following resources, 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 which of the following resources is based on exhaustability? Is based on exhaustability. Is based on exhaustability. Okay. EXHAUSTIBLITY, exhaustability. Okay. Got that, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First option, solar energy. Option A, solar energy. Sorry, 1 minute. There is no solar energy in that option. So please cut that. Write down first one. Community resources. Community resources. Option A is community resources. It is not solar energy, but community resources. Community resources. Option B, national resources. National resources. Option C, individual resources. individual resources, and option D, renewable resources. Okay, option A is community resources, option B is national resources, option C is individual resources, and option D is renewable resources. Renewable resources. Okay, now I have number of options are there. I mean number of answers are received here. Okay, tell me, Mr. Nihal, what is the answer here? Nihal. Okay, renewable resources. So answer is renewable resources. Remember the question here. Observe the question here. Which of the following resources based on? Okay, exhaustibility, right? So we know that it's a renewable and a non-renewable. So in the option only one is there. Is a what is that? Renewable, option D. So option D is the answer. Renewable resources. Renewable resources. So there is no doubt in that. Clear? Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not a renewable resource? Which of the following is not a renewable resource? Which of the following is not a renewable resource? Is not a renewable resource. Okay, so option A is solar energy. Repeating the question. Which of the following is not a renewable resource? Which of the following is not a renewable resource? Option A, solar energy. Option B, water. Option B, water. Option C, metals, METALS, metals. Option C, metals. And option D, forests and wildlife. Okay. Okay, the question is, which of the following is not a renewable resource? Not a renewable resource. Okay, so number of answers are here. Okay, so tell me, Mr. Fisan, what is the answer?
Sir, it is following. We cannot be renewable.
What? Read the question, Fisan.
I'm doing.
Star metal.
Sir,
Read the question.
option C, I think.
Option C. What is that option C? I am asking you to read the question. Read that.
Which of the following is not a renewable resource?
Okay, then options.
Solar energy, water, and
Ah.
metals, and forest and wildlife.
So what is the answer?
Metals.
Metals. Okay. So solar energy is a renewable energy, right or not? It's a never-ending one, right or not?
Renewable
Okay.
resource.
Second one, water. Okay, water cycle, we know that. The cyclical one, right or not? It's a renewable. Okay. Next one, forest and wildlife. That also renewable, right? But what about metals there? Metals there, it is non-renewable. We cannot do that. Okay, it will take much time. Okay. Next one, once we used, completed. That's what metals there. Okay. So next one, write down. Next question. Which of the following resource is considered a biotic resource? Which of the following resource? Which of the following resource? Which of the following resource is considered a? Which of the following resource is considered a biotic resource? After this class, each and every student want to send these notes to me. I have to see that definitely. Okay, there is no excuse. Each and every student who attend the class want to send these notes to me there. Okay, I want to see the notes plus these questions with you people. Okay, so next question. Which of the following resource is considered a biotic resource? Okay, repeating. Which of the following resource is considered a biotic resource? Option A, air. Air. Option B, plants. Option B, plants. Option C,
Biotic.
oil.
Biotic.
Biotic resource. Biotic resource. Okay, biotic resource. Option A, air. Option B, plants. 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 Option C, oil. Oil. And option D, rocks. Option D, rocks. Yeah, number of answers are here. Okay. So what is the answer, Mr. Karthik?
Sir, don't say one. Sir,
Answer?
plants.
Plants. Okay. So plants is a biotic resource, right? All
sir.
other things are not biotic. Air is not biotic. Abiotic it is. Oil is abiotic, and the rocks also example for abiotic resource. It's not biotic one. Okay. Next question. Rocks and minerals are examples of rocks. ROCKS. Rocks and minerals. MINERALS. Minerals are examples of examples of abiotic resources. Option A, abiotic resources. Abiotic resources. Option B, biotic resources. Biotic resources.
Sir, option A.
Abiotic. ABIOTIC.
Ah.
Abiotic.
Abiotic resources.
Option B, biotic resources. Biotic. BIOTIC. Biotic resources.
Biotic resources.
Option C, renewable resources. Renewable resources.
Renewable resources.
Option D, non-renewable resources.
Option D, non-renewable resources.
Non-renewable resources.
Sir, the question is the rock and minerals are the examples of abiotic resources.
Okay. Abiotic resources, biotic resources, renewable resources, finally, non-renewable resources. Shriram Bhagat, tell me the answer. Read the question, options, and answer. Shriram Bhagat.
Rocks and minerals are examples of biotic.
Examples of? Examples of what? What is the answer?
Option C renewable and option D non-renewable.
Answer?
Non-renewable.
One more thing, one more time, please check and tell me the most suitable answer there. So rocks are there, right? So rocks are renewable or non-renewable? Rocks.
Biotic.
Huh? Rocks.
A
Rocks
biotic.
will form in the related with an activity of what you can say volcanic activity, right? Rocks will form, right or not? Right or not? So it's a continuous process. Rock cycle we studied earlier. So rocks and minerals are there. So what should be the answer here? It is abiotic resources. What is that? Abiotic resources. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources. Okay. Abiotic resources. Next one. The resources of ownership are the resources of ownership are, this is the sixth question. The resources of ownership are repeating, the resources of ownership are, first option, plantation, plantation, plantation. Option B, pasture land, PASTURE, pasture land, PASTURE, pasture land. C, ponds, PONDS, ponds. Option D, all of the above. All of the above.
Pasture land means?
Pasture land means the land that basically we are using to graze animals. Okay, this grasslands, basically cattle will rear there, right? Cattle. Okay, that's called be pasture land. Okay, grassland. Okay, Elsa Babu, I got the answer here. Elsa Babu, others? Yeah.
Sir, I got it.
So what is the? Tell me.
Sir, I think that pasture land, I think.
Pasture land, you think? Okay, so if I'm thinking it is pasture land. Isha, please read that question and tell me the answer with along with the options. You have to read it and tell me the answer fast.
Resource
I
of
got it.
ownership are option A plantation, option
Ah.
B pasture land,
Ah.
option C ponds, option D all of the above.
So what is the answer?
Pasture land.
Pasture lands. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is your answer, Mr. Srihari?
Sir, I think
Sir,
pasture
all
land.
of them.
All of the above. Srihari says all of the above. Gauri,
Sir, plantation.
plantation. Atulya,
All of the above.
all of the above. Okay. Ahlam Fatima,
Plantation.
Sir,
plantation.
majority
El
means
Harus, plantation. All of them. Okay. So
Majority.
observe here. Okay, so here there is no question of majority or minority, Mr. Fisant there. We want the correct answer. Clear or not? Okay. So number of people saying something, okay, they are telling that by showing a dog that it's a god, we cannot accept it. Clear or not? Okay, we want the correct answer here. So the first one, what is that? Plantation. What do you mean by the plantation? What do you mean
Sir,
plantation?
that
A large
we
area of land basically we are
grow
utilizing to cultivate a particular
banana.
crop, right or not? Okay, so it is owned by an individual, right or not? Clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not? So ownership is by an individual. Pasture land, what is that? Huh? Everyone can use that. Clear or not? It's a community resource. Understand?
Sir,
Clear or
private.
not? It's a community resource. Everyone can use it. Example, next one, ponds. Okay, that also an example for a community resource. Number of people can take water from that. Okay, clear or not? Everyone can use that in a locality. Ponds. So ownership is there. Okay, it's owned by a locality, owned by a group of people. So pasture land is owned by a group of people or the government. Okay, and ponds is owned by a particular village area. Okay, or a community, and plantation by a particular individual. Okay, individual resource or individual ownership will be there. So answer is, what is the answer?
All of them. All of the above.
Option D, all of the above is the answer. Option D, all of the above. Okay. Hope this idea is clear for you people, right? Right? Okay, fine. So next question. On the basis of origin, on the basis of its origin, on the basis of its origin, on the basis of its origin, resources can be classified into on the basis of origin, resources can be classified into it is origin. Okay, option A, renewable and non-renewable, renewable and non-renewable. Option B, continuous and biological, continuous, CONTINUOUS, continuous and biological, BIOLOGICAL, biological. Option C, biotic and abiotic, biotic and abiotic, biotic and abiotic. Option D, recyclable, RECY, CLA, BLA, recyclable and non-recyclable. Okay. Clear? So, Abin Thompson, please read that question and tell me the answer along with the options.
Sir, can you repeat option B?
Option
PB.
B. Option B is continuous, CONTINUOUS, continuous and biological. Continuous and biological. Now tell me the answer.
Sir, on the basis of origin, resources can be classified into option A, renewable and non-renewable. Option B, continuous and biological. Option C, biotic and abiotic. Option D, recyclable. The answer is biotic and biotic.
Okay, biotic and abiotic. Okay, so one more class will be there for this particular portion, I mean, particular area on Saturday. We have one geography class, one more geography class. Okay, so we will complete all those questions, and any balance questions are there, means I will upload that in the class group for you people, right or not? Okay, so that is your responsibility to write those questions at that day and find out the answers. If any pending things are there, means okay, there are different kinds of questions are there, not only MCQs there. Source-based questions are there, paragraph, okay, from the paragraph, and reasoning, assertion and reasoning type questions are there. Clear? Assertion and reasoning type questions also are there. So it is very important to write all these questions. Okay, definitely, Shamia. Sorry, Sanya, I will do that. Okay, I will explain the textbook also. Okay, some different parts are there. So this area, classification and types of resources are the things basically everyone know that. I think so, right or not? So again, any doubts are there, means you can ask me, no problem in that. Okay, so it's just so easy topic only. Okay, so easily everyone can catch that. So in explanation once or next class you can ask me, I will explain it again. Okay, clear or not? So don't worry. So hereafter, attendance is a very important thing for you people. So remember that, don't take leaves. Clear or not? Understand? Okay, so attend all the classes regularly, and the same time want to write all these questions and its answers there. So let me take the attendance for you people. Okay, so